Accidents happen, often when you least expect them. That's where accidental damage cover comes in, offering an extra layer of protection for your home and belongings when life takes an unexpected turn. Whether it's a smashed TV screen, a hole in the wall from a DIY mishap, or a spilled drink on your laptop, accidental damage cover can help you avoid the financial sting of everyday accidents. So, what exactly is accidental damage cover? It's an optional insurance add-on, or sometimes a standalone policy that covers sudden, one-off incidents that cause damage to your property or its contents. It's not always included as standard in home insurance, so you'll need to check your policy or speak to your insurer if you want to add it. There are two main types: buildings accidental damage cover and contents accidental damage cover. Buildings cover protects the structure of your home, including windows, walls, roofs, and even fitted kitchens and bathrooms. For example, if you accidentally reverse your car into a fence or crack a floor tile while moving furniture, buildings cover could help with the repairs. Contents cover, on the other hand, looks after your personal possessions inside the home, like furniture, electronics, and decorations. Think children knocking over a TV, spilling paint on a sofa, or dropping a mug of coffee on your laptop. But is accidental damage cover right for you? It depends on your situation. If you're a landlord, own multiple properties, or have valuable items you couldn't easily replace, this cover could save you from unexpected costs. Households with children, pets, or frequent visitors might also benefit, as the risk of accidents is higher. However, it's important to know what's not covered. Most policies exclude gradual wear and tear, deliberate damage, pet-related accidents, and mechanical breakdowns. Before you decide, weigh up the value of your belongings and the potential cost of repairs. Remember, making a claim could affect your no-claims bonus and increase future premiums. Always check the details of your policy, compare quotes, and make sure you're getting the right level of protection for your needs. Accidental damage cover isn't for everyone, but for many, it offers peace of mind when the unexpected happens.
Quote Zone. Find a better deal